Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura Espresso J9. This machine was brought in because the customer said it wouldn't brew, and it turns out that the grinder was bad. So we replaced the grinder, and now everything's functioning as it should once again, and we'll test its features. Start with hot water. Boom, boom. There we go. Nice hot water. And now we'll pull a shot. You can hear it grinding. Pre-infusion. And there we go. Brewing a beautiful shot. It's a good stream. There you have it, Jura Espresso J9, grinder replaced, and brewing coffee once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.